This is the morning breakfast in the village. Oh, she's looking smart. Look at her. That's my sister. Right here we're having breakfast. We're having breakfast. So that's it. And then we're going now to divide the ugali. So this is our morning breakfast bread, you know. So we're going to have this as our bread in the morning with the traditional tea, you know. So I'm also going to divide this as well. Hello, good morning. How are you? My name is Nziokake and welcome to my village. For those who are watching for the first time, this is where I call home. This is my village home, and that's my sister Han. She's running away from the camera. And today I just want to show you how we do the breakfast here. It's currently 10 in the morning, and that's when I want to do breakfast. How we do it here in my village, for those who are watching for the first time. And we don't use like the traditional tea or coffee or whatever you guys use in the towns and the cities, or whatever you use. Here in the village we can't afford that. Let me show you. We're going to the forest right now. Not actually the forest, but next to the road here there is a tree that we usually cut the leaves, and then we use it as the coffee. If you guys know it, then you bear me witness. It is used to make some tea. It's always somewhere here. Let's see. Here it is. So over here, so there's this tree over here. So you see these leaves. See these leaves, we use them to make tea, and like our morning drink is used to make like coffee or tea. So nice, guys. So we're gonna get a few of this from here, then I'm going to show you how to make it, huh? So I don't know if you guys, I don't know how we call this, huh? But you guys, you can tell me if in your village you have this. So you don't need much. I actually just got like 4 of them, and this is what we're going to be using right now for the morning. So this is what I got, guys. We're going to make some tea with this, and this is the kind of village life that we have here. to make some coffee in the morning, and I'm gonna be making that. So because currently my mom, my sister, they're not here. Only my youngest sister is here, and they're also leaving. They are going to my aunt. For those who have been watching me, they know that my aunt got an accident on the 24th of December. That was last week, and so today they are going to check up on her again at her home, and yeah, that's what's happening. So that's our puss. She doesn't have a name. That's our cat. She doesn't have a name. We only call her puss. Yeah, so we're gonna be making this. So you guys are gonna be waiting here. We're here with my leaves. Here we are. I'm making the most appetizing drink that we make here in the village. Huh? I just want you to come with me. Let me teach you how to make this. Huh? So I'm going to, I've just put the leaves. Huh? I've already cleaned them. As you can see, they're already clean. So I'm just gonna put them here. Add some water from my jug. So this is the traditional tea that we make here in the village. Oh, it wants to pour down. Okay. So We'll let the leaves boil for a while. Then immediately they boil, it will turn to green. Let me show you. So this is how they look. So immediately I finish to boil them, the water will have turned to green. Then we'll add some sugar, and then after that it will be ready. And then we're going to have some ugali with the tea. That's what we usually have every morning. So come with me, let's wait. It will just take a few minutes for it to boil. So this is the life here in the village, guys. So this is how we do it in the morning, and today I decided I'm the one preparing the breakfast for everybody. So traditional tea, because most of you, if you've been following me for a while, you know that my family, we can't afford to buy coffee and tea. And besides, my family does it. Oh, the smoke, guys. This is, oh my gosh, you can suffocate yourself here. You have to hold your breath. So this is what we have to go through in the life of a village. So as I was saying, so most of the time in the village you'll have to make some breakfast very late. We can't afford to buy coffee and tea every time, so this is what we do. We cook the traditional one. So my drink is ready, and I'm gonna add some sugar. So I think it's more healthier to add sugar while still cooking. We're using it sparingly because it's very small and it's very expensive, guys. So this is how my drink looks like. Can you see, guys? It's green. Those leafy greens, huh? So I'm going to divide it to 3 people. For my sister who's holding the camera, and there is the holder one who is outside. So I'm going to divide it over here. Okay, so that's it. And then we're going now to divide the ugali. So this is our morning breakfast bread, you know. So we're going to have this as our bread in the morning with the traditional tea, you know. So I'm also going to divide this as well. This we have for 3 people. We have 1 person over there. I'm just going to hold mine here. So our young sister is going to have this one over here. Bring the camera. So chukua yako kenye unataka, ugali yako. Tabs ukawaze kuja chukua. So I'm just calling my sister to come and pick. Ndanu ndwenda Oh, she's preparing. So guys, they are leaving, so I'm just gonna put it together in one place. Let me try it. Oh, that's good. Needs just a little bit of sugar to be good. So Han, kuja uongeze sukari. Iko moto? Okay, namharakishe gari itawacha. So they're just about to leave to go to my hand, so that's why I'm telling them to get ready. You see, they are ready. She's looking smart. So this is the morning breakfast in the village. Oh, she's looking smart. Look at her. That's my sister. Right here we're having breakfast. We're having breakfast. 3 of us here. And it's already 11 in the morning. Traditional tea. And the African bread. This is what makes us real Africans. Tabitha, how is it? Is it good?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. How is it, Han? Is it good? Yes, no? Hmm? Yes or no? Hmm?
Yes.
They are not yet used to the camera. That's why. You get later on they will. But tell me on the comment section what you guys think about our breakfast. Yeah, is it the same thing in your village, that you have the leftovers for the night, that you have them in the morning as your breakfast? For us, this is the daily routine here, just making the traditional tea and then having it for breakfast. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for supporting me. Please don't leave without subscribing. This makes this channel to grow, and comment and like this video so that it can reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on the next one. Let us enjoy our breakfast over here.